Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented, highly technical and step-by-step classes for SQL Server, SQL DBA, Azure SQL DBA, and Azure Data Engineer, Big Data Activities, Power BI, and Python Analytics. These are the major courses that we offer, the trending technologies in the market right now. All our sessions are completely step by step and to the point, straight to the point. And on the screen, you see our courses menu and their dependencies for our resume. You may opt for 1, 2, 3 green boxes if you are into coding development activities. You may opt for administration 1, 7, 8 courses if you are into DBA. For big data, it is 1 and 4 and 5. Next level, as you gain experience, you can step into Python analytics, bit of additional scripting. So these are the main big data courses, very much in demand right now. Good number of job openings in combination, especially towards Microsoft certification. No doubt, we have good amount of jobs for even for programming, Azure SQL Developer and DBA as well. But comparatively, 145 is doing very good combination in the market. And what we learn on the screen, we'll be starting from the basics. We'll start from the scratch. We'll understand from the very basics of database, tuning, optimizations, various design aspects, query blockings, window functions, string functions, etc. After box 1, you need to either travel towards programming and coding if you are fond of it, if not administration, DBA, management, troubleshooting, if not big data 4 and 5. So let's be specific with our resume plan, like what we need to do and how we need to do, how cautiously we need to learn step by step. You'll attend 1 or 2 introduction classes first. During these introduction classes, you'll be completing your installations. Then you register for the actual course. Ensure on-time practice during your classes. Complete your case studies. Complete your project work. Then get certified, get resume, complete certification guidance part of our course, and 100% job assistance for those participants who complete their case studies on time and attempt major portion of the project. Pretty sure about it. So any course you consider, there would be some activities every day throughout the course. And the class notes would be something like this on the screen. For any course you take, you have the class notes and FAQs. Again, next chapter, notes and FAQs. Next chapter, notes and FAQs. Some kind of assignment every day throughout the course. Some kind of assignment. And few chapters have more than one assignment, and most it will be scenario based. It's all about practice items. Any course you consider will be having specific step by step pre-planned documents that would be provided in advance before the class. If possible, participants are requested to take a print copy of the notes before they join the class, that particular class. We'll provide you the notes 1 week in advance. Say Monday to Fridays classes, weekly 5 days, Monday to Friday classes, the notes will be sent upfront. Say prior to Monday, say Friday or Saturday, the next week class notes will be sent in advance. so that participants can understand what we are going to learn next week, right? And get a print copy of all the notes, get them ready. We go through it slowly, step by step. All the sessions would be again and again completely practice oriented. Every concept has FAQs. You submit, you get our reply back with the complete solutions. And to step into Power Query, Azure Engineering, SQL Server basics are required. I repeat, this yellow box required to step into 4 or 5 or any other boxes. So make sure we start from the scratch carefully. You are already aware of SQL, you can definitely go directly into engineering or Power BI or whatever. It's up to you. But SQL knowledge is a prerequisite. And here are the schedules for the batches for November 4th week and later on. You may choose to attend one or two introduction classes, then you decide to proceed for the course. Let's interact. Let's understand the possible resume plans. Let's understand the job options before us. Let's think and rethink about the technology we are choosing. Let's plan our resume together. I shall be available on LinkedIn as well as WhatsApp on this number 90300 40801 90300 40801. You can also contact our team 9666440801. They operate 24/7. Once again, I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basic. All I wanted from you, your support. Enjoy the things carefully, practice completely, and submit your assignments on time. Let's be interactive throughout our course. We have a lot to learn, trust me, we have a lot to learn. We'll do it slowly, step by step. And once again, before we wind up today in the short session, number one, try to have access to your printer if you can, so that you can take print copies of your notes and get them handy for easy learning, right? It's all about investing less time, understanding more information. So let's do it slowly, step by step, in a specific order. I have been into these trainings for more than 18 years. You see our SQL school, my contact numbers, older than 18 years in Google itself. So let's understand the fact together. The more we learn, the more we put into our subject, more we get. No shortcuts, right? Things would not change overnight. No. Let's do it slowly, step by step. We don't provide any fast track courses. We cannot. The subject is something that cannot be taken fast track and go for some compromise. We cannot. Simply we don't and we cannot. Let's admire it. Let's enjoy it. Let's use it, and it is there to guide us further. The subject. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. And we are meeting soon for our live introduction class. These dates are the first introduction class. Course starts the very next day. No second thought. No change. The course starts very next day. Damn sure. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. We shall wait for your clarifications, further questions, if any, on WhatsApp or call. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.